Hey, this is Ty at Midway coming to you today, Monday, showing you our new 2024 Jayco Pinnacle. This camper is insane. I'm going to show you why. So not only does it have every option, the only option this doesn't have that I did not get on this unit is full body paint. Other than that, it has everything. You've got a built-in 5,500 watt Onan Cummins generator. That is propane. Worried about running out of propane? This coach comes with 120 pounds of propane. That's 3 big propane bottles. Outside entertainment, you've got an outside TV, 2 full-size awnings on this. So if you want coverage from the elements, camping, outdoor living, storage, outside vacuum cleaner. You can hear some music being played as well. It's got a JBL sound system inside and out. You want to set up for some grilling? Again, you're under this nice awning. You've got a griddle top here, extra cabinets, drawers for all your utensils, 3 burner on this, outdoor fridge and sink. Something else that's cool about this, you've got a towing hitch. You've got something that you want to tow behind this camper. You're going to be full timing in this. You've got the towing package, up to 3,000 pound towing capacity on this. You've got the backup camera so you can see anything behind the unit. You've also got side cameras so you can see on the side, and you've got a security entry door camera so you can see who's at the front door. Let's take a look on the inside. Okay, so something just on the outside that I didn't mention, this has 6-point automatic hydraulic leveling. So you just push a button, boom, this coach levels itself. The other thing about that is if you have a flat tire, you can lift that coach off the ground with the leveling system, change your tire as well. Something else about in here. So you've got the J command. Hey Jayco, turn all lights off. As simple as that, you can turn all the lights off in there. This is what we call a center kitchen. Hey Jayco, turn all lights on. So you have the option to actually have 4 people sit here. So if you've got company, you can have it like this. If you want to access your storage space, or you just have the 2 of you, you can push your table right to the wall here and slide your chairs in. You've got multiple uses. 12-volt residential refrigerator. So you've got an ice maker and water built in on this thing. Half bath, so if anyone's coming, they're not going through the master bedroom. If you and your partner like to watch something different, this is where this comes in. You've got a TV on both sides. So if someone's down here and they want to watch a different show, you've got their own TV. If you want to relax up here and watch some football or watch a movie, you've got your own TV as well. Perfect. When this is down, you've got plenty of cabinet space on the sides here, counter space as well. If you do have company over here, you've not only got the recliners up here with heat and massage, you've got both of these. So both of these couches turn into beds. So you've got sleeping on both sides over here for extra company. You do have the Whisper Quiet air conditioners, and they're both 15,000 BTU air conditioners, but they're Whisper Quiet, so they're about 30% quieter than your standard air conditioning unit. Nice farmhouse sink, super deep. Here's your J command panel. So you can, by the touch of the button, you can turn on and off the lights, but you can also access all of your controls right here with the touch of a button. King size bed, which is very convenient. Someone of my size, I'm about 250, 6'2". There's plenty of space for me and my wife. Cabinetry and storage, you've got drawers, his and hers closets. And if you're going to be full timing, you've got washer dryer hookups, or you've got the addition of extra storage if you put this down. Hanging space, cupboard space, things like that. Nice his and hers vanities with extra counter space in here for makeup and other things like that if you need. Walk-in shower. This is one of my coolest features. Again, how tall I am, 6'2". I've got shower, but I've also got body sprays in here as well. And then we've got handheld Makes it super easy. Those who like to sit down, I mean, shave your legs, or you may have a bad back, bad knee, you can still get in here, sit down, and have the option of the showers on here as well. So we've got this. This is a $173,000 trailer. It's wintertime, it's cold, we know that, and we're going to give you the best deal possible. Again, this has every option. If you're price shopping us, I highly doubt that they're going to have the options that this one has. From the solar system, to the larger propane bottles, to the onboard generator, to the automatic leveling, the camera packages, the king-size bed, the J command, the upgraded suspension. So $173,000 is MSRP. We've got this all the way down to $139,000. You can see your 16,000 towing capacity, 44-foot long total. They have upgraded for 2024. The fresh water capacity is 75 gallons. And this unit, Jayco gives you a 2-year bumper-to-bumper limited warranty and a 3-year structural warranty. So no matter what, you're going to be covered for those 2 years versus a 1 year that some of the other manufacturers carry. And we carry some of those other products. They're good products. But this is just incredible. So many windows. Day shades, night shades. Come see me, Ty, today. Again, we've got the great deal. We've got $35,000 off our MSRP with a camper that's got this much involved in it. You can't go wrong. Come see me.